If your bank account looks more like a desert than an oasis, it's time to dive into these lucrative side hustles. Let's kick off with freelance writing. Got a knack for words? Companies are always on the lookout for talented writers. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or copywriting, freelance writing can easily net you an extra $1,000 a month. Next up, virtual tutoring. If you excel in a subject, why not teach others online? With virtual learning on the rise, skilled tutors are in high demand. Set your hours, pick your rates, and you could be earning up to $30 an hour or more. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. This is all about earning commissions by promoting other people's products. It's simple. Share a product link, someone buys through your link, and ka-ching! You earn a percentage. The more you promote, the more you earn. Lastly, delve into handmade goods. Are you crafty? Platforms like Etsy are goldmines for selling unique handmade items. From jewelry to custom paintings, your hobby could turn into a hefty paycheck. So what are you waiting for? Choose your hustle, make your move, and watch as those extra dollars roll in.